Hi everybody, and welcome to Welsh with Woe. In this week's episode, I'm going to teach you all about Welsh greetings and goodbyes.
Gwarthau cyfarchion.
Well, look at all this. Just for little old me.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Oh, I'm Bernie the dinosaur. No relation.
Bernie, I was just teaching everybody how to speak Welsh.
Oh, what's that?
Welsh is one of the original languages of the British Isles. Unlike English.
Oh, well, it sounds fabulous. I'm in.
Perfect, well let's start with hello. In Welsh, it's shwmai. Imagine saying my shoe, but the other way around. Shwmai.
Shwmai.
Da iawn.
Oh, da iawn means well done. I learned that from a friend last week.
Next, let's teach you how to ask, how are you? Should wyt ti? So you've got should, like should I learn Welsh?
Should.
Wyt.
Oid.
Tea, like a cup of tea.
Tea. Well, here's the tea, Miss Addams. I'm having a fabulous time.
So am I. So, should wyt ti?
Should I tea?
Iawn diolch.
Excuse me?
Well, you asked me how I was, so I responded. Iawn diolch. Iawn is Welsh for fine, and diolch is Welsh for thank you. Iawn diolch.
Iawn. Diolch. Am I saying that right?
Next, let's learn how to say goodbye. In Welsh, it's hwyl fawr. Let's try it word by word. Hwyl.
Hoyle.
Fawr.
Vow.
Hwyl fawr.
Hoyle vow, Miss Woe.
Well, there we go. You've learned a very basic conversation. Should we try and put it in some kind of scenario?
Do you mean like role play? I love role play. Oh, stop it.
Shwmai, Bernie.
Shwmai, Miss Addams. Should I tea?
Iawn diolch. Should wyt ti?
Yeah. Diolch. Hoyle vow, Miss Addams. Well, that was fun.
It was, and now you've learned all of the basics.
Well, except for one thing. I haven't learned please. That should be pretty simple, right?
Os gwelwch yn dda.
Oh. Well, I don't have time for that today. Hoyle vow, Miss Addams.
Hwyl fawr, Bernie. Well, I guess I'll teach you how to say os gwelwch yn dda next week. Hwyl fawr, everyone.